if you love the idea of spending time in the great outdoors, but sleeping in a tent is not your thing, you might want to think about getting one of these bad boys right here, but you don't have to buy it. No, you can rent it. This is Brittany Khalil, and she is with RV Rental Outlet, and she will actually help you find the perfect RV to rent. What a great idea. I love this. And this unit is beautiful. Tell me about some of the different rentals you guys offer.
So we have a large variety of RVs, small motorhomes that are great for 2 people hitting the road. But if you have a family and you need some bunk beds, bigger group, then we can do something a bit bigger too.
Awesome. Now you have motorhomes that you can drive, but you also offer up trailers?
Right. So if you have your own truck or even an SUV, then you can tow a travel trailer. And then once you get to your campsite, you leave it there and you have your car to explore.
Yeah, you know, because you do this, I'm sure when people call up and, you know, maybe they've never done anything like this before, you can help them determine which would be the best unit for them to rent, right?
Absolutely.
It's all based on your needs.
Right. And that's why we have a variety of RVs to choose from, and our team is amazing. They'll ask you all the right questions to make sure that you're selecting the right RV. We're going to have our rental agents start out the trip for you. You're going to plan where you're going, all of your destinations. Then when you pick up the RV, we have a Q&A time. So you're going to have one-on-one time with a technician who is going to show you how to do everything. You actually push the buttons. You get to see everything
Everything's
working.
hands-on, right?
Right. We even offer a roadside assistance packet. When you're traveling around Arizona, there are so many great places to see that you would probably have a few different hotel rooms. Well, with an RV, you pack once, you have your food with you, and you just go at your own leisure.
Yeah.
You don't have to be checking in and out all the time and hit multiple locations.
Yeah, it is so much fun if you've never done it. Are you a big camper?
Love it.
Oh, me too, me too. If you've never done it before, you have to try it, and this is the best way to do it. I mean, you're doing it in comfort and style. You get your own bed, like you said, and here's the best part. Ladies, you're out in the middle of nowhere, you've got your own bathroom and shower. It doesn't get any better than that.
Right.
All right, but here's the big question, Brittany. If you've never driven one of these before, are they hard to drive?
It is so easy. Anyone can do it.
Anyone?
You want to do it?
I do. Let's go. Let's hit the road. Okay, Brittany, I'm ready. What is the most important thing I need to know?
Okay. First thing is, before you get in, you're going to check your space. You want to know where your corners are.
Okay.
Then, when you're driving, it's real easy. Just do your turns wider than you normally would.
Okay. Are you ready?
Here we go.
Okay, here I go. Drive is a good place to start, right? Hey, wow. This is smooth. This is just like driving a big van.
Right.
Okay, so take the corner a little bit wider than normal, right?
Yep.
Okay.
You're doing great.
Oh. Maybe that was too wide for me. No, I did it. Okay, no problem. This is, you know what? This is really easy to drive. Look at this, power steering and everything. Okay, what about parking?
The sites are made for something this size. So if you have to back up, we have backup cameras. And it's really just like driving a car.
It is. It's like driving a big car, but it is like driving a car. All right, I think I got this. I can do this.
You're a pro.
All right, where do you want to go?
Sedona.
Sedona. Sedona or bust. All right, you want more information? I've got it, and a special discount.
Oh man, we had to bring her back. Here's a great special offer for you this morning. You're going to rent 3 nights and get your 4th night free. RV Rental Outlet. They are located at 256 East Main Street. That is in Mesa. 480-461-0023 is the number to call for more information, or visit their website, rvrentaloutlet.com.